Hello again, guys. This is part 3 for modes of acquisition, exchange. If you did not catch part 2 and part 1, I will be linking it down in the description. So, just to give an overview, this is the 5th installment of your modes of acquisition for Module 1, Intermediate Accounting 2. We will be discussing here exchange without commercial substance. When an exchange transaction has no commercial substance, the rules are actually simpler. That is, the cost of the new asset received at the moment of exchange will be the carrying amount of the old asset transferred. So imagine this. You have a building for 100 pesos and you will exchange it for equipment. Upon receipt of the equipment, debit ako ng equipment 100. Credit ako ng building, another 100. In this scenario, there will be no gain or loss. This is also known as your book value method. If cash is involved, the same rule would apply to with commercial substance about cash, wherein the payer will add the cash payment to the cost and the payee will deduct the payment to the cost. This time, no commercial substance tayo pero may cash involved. Just a quick reminder, when there is no commercial substance, you will not be recording any gains or losses. So, ano ang gagamitin natin? Okay, high speed and low speed. Sino nagbayad? Paid by high speed again to low speed. So, ikaw high speed, added cost mo ang 150,000. Ikaw naman low speed, deduction sa'yo ang 150,000. The carrying amount, 600 for high speed. We will be using that for the first requirement. And 750,000 for low speed. We will be using that for the second requirement. Okay, for requirement number 1. There is a debit to machine of 750,000 and this is computed as 600,000, that is the carrying value of the asset given by high speed. And add the cash payment by high speed. Okay? So, write off your old asset, credit cash. You would notice there is no gain or loss here because no commercial substance. The second requirement is somewhat an opposite of your first requirement, as low speed will be debiting the delivery truck he received for an amount equal to the difference between the carrying value of his old asset minus the cash received. So itong dalawang to. Write off yung machine niya, 1.5, and of course we also have to eliminate the accumulated depreciation. And since nakatanggap tayo ng cash, we have to debit the cash for 150,000, low speed. Okay, last illustration, and we'll do this quickly. High speed and low speed, no cash involved, no commercial substance. Okay, original cost, high speed 1.2, accumulated depreciation 600, carrying amount 600. Ikaw naman low speed, meron ka 1.5 million original cost. 750,000, that is your accumulated depreciation and remaining book value. So, ito po ang importante in our illustration. Una, high speed. The requirement for high speed will simply use this figure here. That is your total cost of the machine, which is only equal to the carrying amount of his old machine. Ito po. De-recognize natin ang original cost and the accumulated depreciation. And requirement number 2, the same thing. This one here is the carrying amount of the machine of low speed. That should be equal to the amount debited to the newly received delivery truck by low speed. And of course, de-recognize lang natin ulit ang old asset. So that's it for exchange. Next time, we will be taking up trade-ins, which is also a type of exchange but with some special considerations. I hope you're having a good day and I will see you again on the next video. Bye!